Very good evening to all dear students. A.S.S Science Foundation is once again here with a very special success story. There is a old saying, every success serves as a motivation for someone in this world. So today I will be sharing a very special story of one of our students, Dinesh Parida. Though this post is a bit late because we received the information quite late. But this was a story of December 2021. This guy was preparing with us from online program, live online program, and he was working very hard. But at that time, he was not getting the appropriate result. Initially, he got a NET-LS, but immediately in the second attempt, he get a NET-JRF. Along with that, he got the best places, like he got into IIT Indore. But sidewise, I would like to share, he qualified the entrance and interview of one of the prestigious institute, JNU, in the School of Environmental Sciences under Area 2, where he secured rank 2 in JNU and offered a final PhD admission under Area 2. Then he also got admission in IIT Indore at the same time. And he chose IIT Indore over JNU. But his story is special because he keep working hard. He was working under a project, was not getting too much of time. And then only he used to study with the records and clouds, but he never get disappointed with the time or the results. But sooner or later, immediately after that, he got the opportunity and he directly deserved that, and he grabbed into IIT Indore, giving the priority over JNU. For that achievement, the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation wish him good luck for the future research which he is doing currently. And I would like to thank the whole team of A.S.S Science Foundation for supporting Dinesh Parida for his interviews and research proposal. I would like to thank you each and every member of our team, the faculty team, the core research proposal team, and the interview guidance team. So this is how we nourish a student for subject. This is our way of nourishment, where we keep students believe in themselves and keep working hard till they achieve the highest level of success. At present, for the exam have not happened. It will be soon going to happen from September 20 to 30 September. But still, we have opened up the sessions and admission for NET-JRF March 2023, where the classes is going on for regular program at our center, online program, online classes is there, then correspondence along with video program and purely correspondence program. Along with that, GATE 2023 preparation have also begun from 16th of August. For that, we are providing two options, either GATE Environmental Science and Engineering or GATE Ecology Evolution. We are also providing guidance for all the entrances of M.SC, Life Sciences, Environmental Sciences, IIT JAM, TIFR, etc. So those people who are interested in studying at the best place and getting best knowledge of the subject to qualify these exams and achieve their dream in near future, they can reach us via our YouTube channel or website or Instagram page or our Twitter handle. Our counselors and expert is 24/7 available to clarify your doubts. The numbers are given below, so you can reach us. With this, I will congratulate the special achievement by Dinesh Parida, because he worked very hard, and his story is special in terms of he never quit. Like for one year, he never quit. Initially, he was having only NET-LS, then he got a JRF, And immediately after that, one or two interview was not perfect, but soon or later he got grabbed two places, IIT Indore and JNU, School of Environmental Sciences, where he got rank 2, but he prioritized IIT Indore over JNU. Thank you.